In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a conversation in ChatGPT. Renaming a conversation is a small step that makes a big difference when you're organizing your chat history. If you've got lots of threads, giving each one a clear name helps you quickly find what you need later, stay focused on related topics, and keep your work tidy. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, look to the left side of your screen for the sidebar. This is where your recent conversations live, listed one after another. Take a moment to scan through and locate the conversation you want to rename. If you've had a busy week, don't worry. Titles may look similar at first, but you can use the timestamps and any recognizable words to help you spot the right one. Next, move your mouse pointer over that conversation in the sidebar. You don't need to click yet, just hover your pointer directly over the title. When you do, you'll see a small three-dot icon appear next to it. That icon is your More Options menu. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your pointer is resting right over the conversation name, not the space above or below it. Now, click the three-dot icon. A small menu will open with a few simple options. From this menu, choose Rename. This tells ChatGPT you want to edit the title so it better reflects what the conversation is about. Once you've selected Rename, type the new name you want to use. Pick something short, descriptive, and meaningful to you. Maybe the specific topic, the problem you are solving, or the project it belongs to. Clear titles make it much easier to search your list at a glance. Avoid putting any private or sensitive details in the name. Keep it professional and purposeful. As you type, you'll see the updated title appear right in the sidebar, so you can confirm it looks the way you want. That's it. You've successfully renamed the conversation. The change is immediate, and you can repeat this process anytime you want to refine your organization. Over time, a consistent naming style, like starting with a category or date, can help you stay even more organized without any extra effort. To recap, find the conversation in the left sidebar, hover over it, click the three dots, choose Rename, and type your new title. Simple, fast, and surprisingly helpful for keeping your workspace clean and your ideas easy to revisit. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.